selected this Gallardo Super Trofeo Stradale from VVS. I've been there a couple of times already and I've always looked at this as something that I'd really like to drive, something that I thought suited me. However, there's one thing you need to know about how I'm sitting in this car. I've slouched right down with my knees up by my chin because I just don't fit. This is how I get in this car initially. So unfortunately, although the money side of things is one reason I can't afford it, I just don't fit. I'm 6'5" and there is definitely a good foot extra needed for me to sit in this comfortably. However, such is life, and it's not going to stop me having a go anyway. We've been for a bit of a drive in it already. We're just about to try and do some more tracking shots. It's given me an opportunity to drive this thing properly, so I'm going to get us into Corsa mode, go down a few gears. So good. The up change is so aggressive. You get up to about 7,500, 8,000 revs and then pull a right hand pedal, and similar to an Aventador, being a single clutch, it really gives you that kick, which is good fun. And then on the downshift you get this lovely blip, and the V10 engine just sounds so good back there. Such an experience. Love how stripped out this car is. It really adds to the rawness. Full carbon fibre on the doors, not very much soundproofing at all. You just get a little bit of foam, a little bit of Alcantara. You can hear so much of the engine behind as well. It almost seems like a last hurrah of the Gallardo before they then started making the Performante. Such a good car, so raw. Very, very stiff on the suspension. Brakes seem to be, certainly at this speed, I'm doing 30 miles an hour, just about to turn off. They're either all or nothing. You don't get that slight slowdown.
I've had around 2.5 hours with this car today, and well, I get it now. I get why there are still people who long for the less perfected and unrefined car over the smooth edges of the Hurricane with its silky slick gear changes and ALA aero giving it pin-sharp handling at speed. I love how much feedback you get from this, the noises, the little imperfections. They were obviously with the height of development when this model was launched, and they just added character now in bucket loads. Today's been a real eye-opener, and I cannot thank VVS enough for the opportunity, even if my anatomy wasn't on my side.